Okay, I gotta show you this cool book that I found. It's from the 70's. Obviously, look at the truck. I believe 1977. Yeah, that would have been Kenworth maiden days. W900 maiden days. A model. Peterbilt. 359 days. I gotta look here in a few pages in. Check this out. So we start with auto car here in the color, right? I got a couple auto cars there. There's a General. Ran a damn 2-strokes. That one probably had a 2-stroke in it. I'm sure that one did, and that one. I got a big old Chevy symbol up there. Crane Carrier Corporation. Not too familiar with those trucks. They did make a few military trucks back in the day. I've seen a truck like this, a CCC. Look at these Fords. That's awesome. There's the L series. Of course, now we're at the gasser type ones. There's Freightliner. Not much in the Freightliner. There's a 4-wheel drive company. There's big history on that FWD company. You should read into it. There's GMC, basically the same thing, the General. Another GMC. Gasser trucks. Well, we got the corn binders, or better known as the 13-letter shit spreaders. Oh, they were good trucks. I drove many international. There's some real trucks here. That almost looks like a first-generation C500. Oh, it is. Look at that. Non-butterfly hood C500. Now, they made another truck back in the day before the W900. Alongside it was called a W923. There's cab overs. Oh no, we gotta stay away from the Macs. Of course, I got Mac in there. Oh, there's Mercedes. Oshkosh, one of my favorite truck manufacturers. Look at that big damn thing. I've never seen one of these in person, but wow, look at that. More Oshkoshes. There's Pete's. There's a 359. Spartan. I'm not familiar with them. Volvo. Walter. There's a white Western Star. Another white. White was involved with everybody back in the day. White Freightliner, white Volvo. More Oshkosh stuff in the military. Tank haulers. Kind of looks like an M60 sitting back there. Maybe a Walker Bulldog. Look at that Oshkosh. What a cool book. I found this at a place up north, at a museum. And they had it in a free pile. Just couldn't help myself. Oh, they got fire trucks. Talk about a cool book from the past. It's amazing it survived that long. Oh, there's a dump trailer. Look at that. Way back. So it's called Big Trucks by the editors of Consumer Guide. Pretty neat old book. Well, we'll talk to you later.